Bitcoin is about to create a new all-time high from this very area where the market is right now of 68.9k. We're going to see the market ride into this very area of $77,000 and $80,000 right here on this very chart, and that is what I'll be showing you right now with proof. So watch this video to the very end. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here on the Bitcoin chart, if you notice right at this point, something happened right here. We'll have a falling wedge at this very point. So after this falling wedge, the market broke out of the falling wedge and then begin to move to the upside straight from this very area right at this point. So a falling wedge, market breakout at this very point and then move upward. And if you notice, after this very move of breakout, market come back right down. So it's a retracement of this very impulsive move. So if you want to trade BTC USDT right now, it is time for you to look for buy opportunities. That means if you are a futures trader or you want to trade on spot, you look for buy, because what I am expecting right now is a little bit different. I am expecting that the market move upward and we need to cross certain level for the market to create a new all-time high. And the first area, which is very, very important on the chart, is this very point of resistance. This resistance right here. Once the market move upward and break this level of resistance, then I am very confident that the market is going to move into the 77 and $80,000 around this very area. So your attention right now should not be the market coming to the downside. I am not expecting any aggressive move downward anymore right now on the Bitcoin 1-day chart. Okay, I am expecting the market move upward, and for us to verify that very movement to the upside, we must break this level of resistance that is on the chart. Once we break this level of resistance, market is going to definitely move into 77, 78 to $80,000 per Bitcoin, and this will make Bitcoin to create a new all-time high. What this means is it's going to create a new level of greed in the market. If you check the greed index on CoinMarketCap, that is going to further increase because people will tend to begin to buy more at higher prices. So for you as a trader and as an investor, this is a time for you to buy now, not when the market come into the $80,000 and $81,000. So right now on the 1-day chart, expect the market to move upward. Now, a possible scenario of this market coming back down exists, and that is why you need to pay attention to this very area of $66,000. This very point of support is very important. Market have capacity of moving back down, but I am not expecting the market to come back down below the $66,000. I am expecting that if the market come back to the downside, we can see just a reduced momentum back to the downside and then an aggressive move upward. And once we break this very level of resistance, this area of 72 and this area of $70,000, once we break this level, then market is going to ride into the 77 and $80,000. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on your chart, 1-day chart. And if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, something different is happening on the 4-hour chart. Market is coming back to the downside because this level is a level of resistance here, which is resistance at this very point. So market is expecting this very level of resistance right now. So what I am expecting on the 4-hour chart is for the market to come back to the downside. Okay, so to this very area of support, and then we will see the market move back to the upside again on Bitcoin. This is very simple. So on the immediate short term, the 4-hour chart, don't expect the market to move upward. Okay, expect this very retracement to come into the market into this very level of support right here, and then from here market will begin to move to the upside. This is my expectation, and this is what I'm paying attention to right now on the BTC 4-hour chart. And on ETH, if you notice, after this very falling wedge as well on the ETH chart, a breakout happened at this very point, and after the breakout we see a sporadic movement right at this very point on the chart. So this very movement was very drastic, and like I said in one of my videos, this very movement is also as a result of the ETF approval. Okay, and market move all the way upward because of the ETH spot ETF, and right now market is at this very point. I am expecting that since we have this very aggressive move from here, impulsive move, market have to retrace and then continuation to the upside. So this retracement that is coming to the market right now is necessary. Okay, and I am not expecting the market to go below this very level of important support where the market spiked from. So at this very level of $3,500 level, this is where I am expecting this retracement to pause for continuation. So for ETH, expect the market to come back to the downside for retracement, and then market is going to move to the upside. That means I am not expecting the market to go below this very level of $3,500 on Bitcoin. But the most important thing right here is after every impulse, retracement come into the market before the next impulsive move again. So what you need to expect right now is for this retracement to end, and then at the end of this retracement, market is going to definitely move to the upside, which is very important. So right now on ETH, instead of you to look for short opportunity, because since this is impulse, then retracement, and then continuation to the upside, for me it is a time to wait on the ETH USDT 1-day chart. It is time to wait for this very retracement to end. Then after the end of retracement, we're going to enter the market for the next impulsive move to the upside. So it is a waiting period so that we can buy at a discount price before the market is going to move to the upside. So right now on ETH 1-day chart, relax for the market to retrace. At the end of retracement, you enter with the next impulsive move to the upside, because I am still very confident that this market is going to still move to the upside on the 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, market have to come back down on the 4-hour chart because we've seen a failed swing at this very point. If you look at it, market move all the way from here upward, come back to the downside, move upward. If you notice, this is a level of resistance right now in the market. So from this very area, I am expecting this market to come back to the downside and create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point, and then we should begin to see the market begin to recover to the upside in the few days of trading from now. So this is what I'm expecting right now. So on the immediate short term on ETH on the 4-hour chart, expect this market to come back to the downside for a sell-off, and then after that sell-off, market is going to come back to the upside again for a buy opportunity on the 4-hour chart ETH. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart ETH. Bitcoin is going to skyrocket to the upside and create a new all-time high. So pay attention to this very breakout of this very level that I am expecting right now on the chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, check the description of this video. You see the link, and register and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.